Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. It is now August. Can you guys believe that? It is August. Oh my gosh, where did this year go? So this is my design team package for August 2021. And I'm going to share that with you. So look at this stamp, guys. Isn't she just so freaking cute? Item number is 20103. And this is the Whimsy Stamps die. And she is called Elvira Moonlighting die set. She is so cute, guys. I can't wait to use her because I'm doing pink this year for Halloween, so I can't wait to use her in my projects. So this is so cute. They had so many dies, the Whimsy Stamps brand, but I thought, well, let me start out with her and see how she works out. So that is one of the items that I received in my package. So the next thing I ordered was the Alice Looking Through the Glass. Guys, I haven't done anything with my Alice paper pads, but I just think they're so pretty. I am going to show you the small one. That way we don't have to open both of them. So let me show you what that looks like. So this one is the Alice Looking Through the Glass 6x6. I'm sorry, 8x8, and then I did get the 12x12. I don't know what I'm going to make with them, but I just thought that was so cute. The 8x8 is 23779, and the 12x12 is 23775. So pretty, guys. So I haven't even looked at this. This is the first page. These are the little cut aparts. Those are so pretty. Very pretty. And this is the one of the pages. This is another one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look, she's running through the window, or she's trying to escape through the window. So this one says, it'll be easy enough to get through. And on this side, it says, in another moment, Alice was through the glass. So this looks like it actually tells a story. So look at that pretty clock. That is so pretty. And the ivy vines, very pretty. And this is the back, and she's helping Humpty Dumpty here. So it is actually telling a story. That is so pretty. And she's got her little crown on. Queen Alice. No admittance till the week after next. How cute. That is so cute. And this is the chest board layout. And look at all these teapots. So pretty. I love this. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one I would probably use. I mean, I would use the front, but I would want to use the back as well. So pretty. And these are cut aparts. And I'm sure in the 12x12, you know, it's the same, but these are scaled down. Unbirthday calendar. How cute. And here's the back of that. How cute would it be to put these in the form of a waterfall and put somebody's picture on there that was born in February? That would be so cute. February, another person in March, April, and so on. Maybe even put it on the back side and then circle their actual birth date on the front. That would be so cute. And then here's another cut apart. So adorable. And this is the back. And then these are the fussy cut images. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, I really like that. And then, of course, the 12x12. And then I also ordered ITD Collection, An Undiscovered Magical World. So this is a lot darker than I normally work with. You guys know that. But I have a project in mind, and I think I needed 2 paper pads, was what I read. I'm going to follow a tutorial to make something. So they did in the tutorial, it said you would probably need 2 paper packs. So this, along with some solid colored cardstock, would be great. So this one is 31286. And I have not looked at this at all. So I'm assuming these are single-sided. Yes. So, you know, this is the cover, but we can actually use part of this cover, you know, for example, we can fussy cut that. It's very different than what I normally use. And then here's one page. It's got that, you know, it's got a shine to it. Yes, I think it'll work well. This one's going to be a Halloween project, guys. And I know I said I was going to do the pink Halloween, but this is going to be something just totally different. And I thought this paper, oh, how pretty. I thought this paper would go really well with what I have in mind. These are some big images. They're not, wow. These are some big images, guys. Look at this creepy looking person right here. Wow. Very fitting for Halloween. And then this elk person. Half elk, half man. And these girls over here are just dancing. Let's say they are dancing. Very interesting. I don't know what this writing is, but yeah. And then this dragon guy. Oh my goodness. Wow, these are some big images. I just, yeah, they're big images. They're whole layouts that you, they're just whole layouts. And then the other one. So yeah, we'll see how that project turns out, and I'll bring you along for the process when I am going to start it. So there is that one. And then I got the Sleeping Beauty 12 by 12 paper pad by Stamperia, and this one is so pretty. I love the colors. Normally I don't work with a lot of greens, but I like this green right here. So this item number is 23773. Here's the first page, first edition, so that means there's probably going to be more. Here is the first page, and that castle just beautiful. Once upon a time. And then again, this one tells a story, it looks like. Cut aparts. You know what I do like is that on this one, the really pretty, not that this back page isn't pretty, because it is, but it doesn't make it hard to use, you know, to pick a side. I would definitely use this, and probably the leftovers I would use this, but it's easier to use when the sides are so different. Oh, how cute. Part of the story, fairy tales, so pretty. And again, this one is, I would definitely use this, and I would use the leftovers on the back side. So pretty. Guys, I'm sorry. I know you can hear the humming of my fan in the background, but our air conditioning broke, and the part that it needs some kind of coil. It won't be in until Wednesday of next week. And our temperature is near 100. So I just can't do without the fan right now. So this is the next page, and there is the back of that one. How funny that they used the orientation this way on this page. Oh my gosh, isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Look at that dress. And then here, see, now this one is hard because I love both images. I mean, look at this image and look at this image. They're both just beautiful. I mean, I could think of something to do with both sides, and I can't do one without the other. So that's why I should have ordered 2 of them. But, you know, we'll make it work. And then right here, she's asleep. How pretty is her room? I want a room like that. And then this is the back wallpaper looking page. And this is her Prince Charming with his horse. And the back of that. And right here, I guess they're falling in love. And there's the back of that page. I love this page as well. And these are the 4x4s. The back of that. And they lived happily ever after. How pretty. You know, a mini album telling the story would be awesome. And these are also cut aparts. I would fussy cut these as well. Not just the round parts. Unless I need the back. Love the back as well. And look at these images. Oh my gosh, these are pretty. Wow, these are pretty. I think I'll use all of them. And that was the last page. Okay, so there is Sleeping Beauty. She is, this is such a beautiful paper pack. And then I ordered these. I've never ever seen sheets like these, but I'm gonna go through them. These are the clear prints, so it's acetate with the prints from the collection. So these are all the acetate pieces that come in here. There are 6 of them, and 23821. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Here is the first page. Let me put something on the back. So here's the first one. How pretty. I do not know what I'm going to make with this, but I wonder if it has a coating. Some of them have that, or the Cora Projects does. Yeah. So this one doesn't have any coating, you know, a front sheet coating of any kind. Okay, so this is the first acetate piece. How pretty. And these are 8 1/4 by 11 and almost 3/4. And it's thick, guys. This is really thick. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna make with these. And here is the next one. So these mimic that background. Remember that background I told you that I wouldn't have a problem not using? So this one is like that one. And then this one, so the back is white, but how pretty does that look? That doesn't come off. This part, none of it comes off. So that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so pretty. And then here is the next one. Oh, this one's really pretty. I love those colors. So pretty. And then this one. Oh, this one is the reason that I got this package, was because when I saw the horse, I just thought it was beautiful. Well, I'm gonna have to do something special with this. Sleeping Beauty. Oh, that horse is just gorgeous. And then here is the last one. This one is that the back of one of the pages that I thought the orientation is funny on there. I love that. Oh my gosh, guys. So that is the acetate clear sheets. To me, they're acetate. And they're calling them clear prints. So I love these. And you know, I saw other ones that had clear prints that matched the paper collection. Gosh, the colors are so vibrant on here. They are so vibrant. I love that. I really do. Okay, guys, that was my project share for the day. I hope you have enjoyed watching. I've shared with you guys. I can't wait to think of something to do with all of this. And Thank you so much. I'll talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day, guys.